and today we're looking at this 1996 gold edition, limited edition Honda Z50 Monkey. This bike, we did a little series on it. It was going up for auction. You can watch the full video. I'll leave the link in the description of the bike when it was going on auction. But we are back here to see what this bike sold for. Just a little recap. As you can see, a limited edition bike. It is brand new. This bike has never been registered or never been used. It's actually never even had a drop of fuel in it. If I'm not mistaken, I think only 5,000 of these models were made. They were specifically made for the Japanese domestic market, so very sought after with collectors. And yeah, just an incredible bike to have in your collection, and especially with it being brand new like it is. So what did it sell for? Well, we put in a little proxy bid just to see what it would sell for and get a result. It sold for, guys. Need a hand in the garage? Grab your free motorcycle workshop manual from my50.com. No cost, no catch, just real manuals for real riders. Download yours today. It sold for, guys, over yen1 million. 1,099,000 yen for this bike. That is an incredible price. So if you're looking for a bike or bikes to collect, these little Honda Z50s are really collectible bikes. I mean, you don't necessarily have to start at the limited editions. They're all going up in value from the Z50As right the way up. And how do you buy these bikes? Well, if you're interested in buying bikes from Japan, head over to our website, my50.com, go to the Japanese auctions tab, and you click on this link over here so you can sign in and register for your free account. Once you've registered for your free account, you'll have access to all the stock in Japan. It looks like this. Here's the auction list. These are all the upcoming auctions. So I'll just click on this one here to show you what it looks like. And as you can see, a whole bunch of different bikes, big bikes, small bikes. And what's important to know is it's not only Japanese bikes. Here we have some Harley Davidsons. And if I go up to the search box, you'll be able to see Harleys, KTMs, Vespas, Benelli, Gas, any kind of bike you want. So head on over to our website, my50.com, sign up for your free Japanese motorcycle auctions account, and you will have free access to check out all the stock in Japan, and then from there we can assist you in buying bikes from Japan. Thanks for watching today, guys. If we've added some value to you, or if you like our content, please feel free to like and subscribe so we can continue giving you more information about Japanese motorcycle auctions.